The portal has tens of thousands of historic newspapers and magazines, as well as almost 2,000 books, many of which were published in the 19th century. Here are some tips on finding fascinating first-hand accounts of the Texas Republic, immigration, and the lifestyles of American Indians and explorers. Welcome to the Portal to Texas History. This tutorial provides some important tips on how to search and navigate the portal. Like a search engine, you can search using keywords to find something on a topic. Here are a few tips to help you find what you need. As an example, I'm going to type in the words Sam Houston, since he's an obvious choice for Texas history. Wow, I got over 23,000 items. The problem with this search is the list probably includes items that have the word Sam or Houston. I need to put parentheses around his name. Once I added parentheses and tried the search again, the results were reduced down to about 6,000 or so items. Much better, but I still may want to narrow it further. Let's just take a look at the first record in the results list. Once you click on the thumbnail, you'll get the brief record. This image belongs to the Star of the Republic Museum. Now, to view different sizes of the image, you'll see that there is the option to view all the image sizes and to save them to your computer. This is really helpful if you want to print out a large image size or if you want a small image to use in a website. Remember to always credit the source, so for this record, it would credit Star of the Republic Museum. I'm going to do a phrase search for American Indians. Keep in mind that if you aren't finding what you need, try using different keywords. For instance, I could have used the keywords Native American or just Indian. Sometimes you have to be creative. Anyway, let's narrow this search to just books, so click on Books in the left-hand column. Above the list of items, it will indicate that you have limited your search to a resource type. If you want to go back to the original list without limits, click on Remove, located to the right. The first book on the list is about the Karankawa Indians of the Texas Gulf Coast, which was written in 1891. Click on the title or thumbnail image to view the book. And to the right are different ways to view the book. Click on the image again to read the book. You will do the same to read newspapers and magazines. As you can see, just above the book, there are navigation symbols. Once you open the book, newspaper, or magazine, you can search within it by adding keywords in the search box in the upper right-hand corner. I added the keyword fishing. In this book, there are 10 pages that have the word fishing in it. You'll see the word as a part of a phrase. If you would like to look at the page that contains this phrase, you click on the thumbnail or sequence. Once you've selected the page within the book, newspaper, or magazine article that you would like to view, you'll find that the keyword that you searched for is highlighted within the text. If you would like to remove the highlighting, simply select Remove Highlighting on the right-hand side. The Portal to Texas History has over 6,000 historical maps that date back to the 17th century. What a great resource for a topic on Texas geography that can be used to really excite students' imagination. Let's do a search for Harris County. Now, you can limit it further by choosing a decade on the left-hand side using the navigation tools. For example, from the year 2000 to 2009, there are 2 maps available. Of course, you can just scroll up and down the list and click on the thumbnail of one that looks interesting. Once we've selected the map we would like to see, you have the option to click on Zoom in the right-hand navigation bar. Now, we are going to zoom in to see what downtown Houston looked like in 1861. This concludes a quick tour of the Portal to Texas history. If you have any questions, you can always click on the feedback link located at the bottom of every page in the portal. We hope you enjoy searching the Portal to Texas history as much as we do.
As I was walking down the street, down the street, down the street, a pretty little girl I chanced to meet, and we danced by the light of the moon. Buffalo gal, won't you come out tonight, come out tonight, come out tonight. Buffalo gal, won't you come out tonight and dance by the light of the moon.